Hi guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to get jobs in 1 week with no experience here at Upwork. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now, let's dive right in. So for those people who are still starting with Upwork, Upwork is actually a platform for freelancers like me who would like to get jobs, projects, and the likes in this specific platform. All you need to do is to simply create an account, and what you need to have is just your email address. Your If you do have an Apple account, then you could also use that, and then you can actually create your Upwork account by then. So here in Upwork, there are actually a lot of jobs that you can choose from. And today I'm going to give you some tips on how you can win your first job in your first week. So first, what you need to do is to create a strong profile. So in order for you to create a strong profile, you need to craft a well-written profile that would highlight your skills, your strengths, and any relevant education or background. So here, let's go to our profile. One thing that you also need to do is that you need to choose a professional profile picture for your Upwork because, of course, our clients would want us to see that we are actually good for the job, and at the same time we are professionally appealing on their end. So first impression last, of course. Now here for your profile, what I did is that I wrote a compelling and concise overview that showcase my value proposition to my potential clients. Basically, like here, when you're creating a title or when you're creating a profile, what you need to do is to make it really personalized and not really the kind of profile that a client would not want to read because as much as possible, try to make it as conversational at the same time as professional as possible. So here you can see under the overview three things that you need to input. So describe your strengths, highlight your projects, accomplishments, education, and also keep it short and make sure that the grammar is good and it's error free, basically. Okay, now here in the side, you could also add a video introduction if you would want to. Say, for instance, you do have like a link to a YouTube video that showcases your previous projects or basically what you can do for the client there. And then you can input what type of video it is, how many hours per week you can work for that client, what languages you could speak, the IDs to verify your real, and also your educational background as mentioned a while ago, so you can add it right there. So again, create a strong profile in order for your clients to see you and also to get to know you better. All right, now the next tip that I'm gonna give you guys is you need to choose the right niche. Of course, you cannot land or go to a job where you don't know anything about it. Say, for example, as a video editor, you need to know like video editing and like the kind of softwares that you would be needing to land the job or to do the job basically. So one thing as well that you need to look into if you're having a job or if you saw a job that you're interested in, see whether the payment is verified because not all clients here at Upwork are actually legitimate. So you need to be very careful in choosing the right clients as well, not only the client choosing the right person to do the job done. All right. Now, next is you can build a portfolio. So when you're building a portfolio, you need to add like the projects that you've had before. Here, of course, we do not have any related Upwork job yet for you guys since this would be your first week. But this would this is how it would look like if you already have a related Upwork job. So it will show the different kinds of projects you've had in the past as well. So yeah, even without any formal experience, you can actually create a profile by working on personal projects or offering your services to friends and families. And then you can showcase your profile in your Upwork account to demonstrate your capabilities as a professional there. So here under your profile section, again, here, this is where you can also um, input, and this is really the place where you can really edit out and input all the things that's good about you and your previous experiences in this section. You just need to edit that out. And if you do need any help in getting that grammar free or error free note, then you can use applications such as ChatGPT or any AI applications. Next is you can also craft tailored proposals. So this is actually really important, especially if you are already choosing a job that you would want to um, ace in Upwork. So say for example, you would like to have this video editor job. All you need to do is to click on the apply now button here in the right hand side of the platform. And then what you need to do next is that you're simply going to submit a proposal. So here in the proposal section, what you need to do is to input and add the terms there. How much would be your hourly rate? As much as possible, you need to be the lowest bidder for this one, since you're still starting with Upwork and you need to like build your career here. Then add your cover letter. This is actually not necessary, but as much as possible, add a cover letter in order for your clients also to see that you're interested in the job. And then attach your resume or any projects related to that one. And also boost your proposal by having bids. Make sure to read the instructions given as well in the job posting. That's actually very important. And lastly, apply actively. So don't settle for one job alone. Try to explore more options because there are actually a lot of projects, a lot of jobs that you can land in Upwork. So you just need to find and apply for the right job. And also create and follow those easy steps in order for you to land the perfect job for you guys. And soon you will get invitations afterwards. So remember that landing jobs quickly depends on various factors, including demand in your chosen niche and your commitment to the process. Building a strong foundation with early positive feedback and ratings will set you up for better opportunities in the future. And over time, you can adjust your strategy based on your experience and success. And that's it. I hope that these tips would help you land your first client in Upwork. Hope to see you in the next one, guys, and thank you so much for watching.